everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a little bit of a different video today. So I bought this miniature house scene. So I've always wanted a dollhouse. And this, it's not a dollhouse, it's just a miniature scene because it is not, you can't really play with it. I got the half of the garden, and they are calling it a loft apartment miniature scene DIY house, and it has LED lights. I did get this off Amazon. On the back they have another one. It's called Whisper in the Morning. Super cute pink bedroom and living room, so I might have to get that one when I am done with this one. I love all kinds of crafts, so I thought this would be super fun to try. So some of them that I looked at, because I had a hard time deciding which one to get. Some of them said they came with scissors and tweezers and stuff like that. This one in the description didn't say that, so I went ahead and got a plier set. It's got 6 different, says precision, not pliers, tweezer set. It says it's got 6 pieces of precision tweezers. Stainless steel, so you've got the angle ones and fine tip ones, so use that for that, use those for the dollhouse. And then I also got a package of squeeze bottles. Okay, my goodness, did they have that bag taped up. So you get 6 of them like that. These are the 4-ounce bottles. So it comes with the lids for them. And so they do have a super fine tip on them. So you get just the tiny bit of glue. They are all different color lids, so you can use them for all different, you can put different glue in each bottle. So then it comes with that little like silicone lid for it, so you screw the lid on, and then has the little rubber stopper for the top, so your glue has a lid. So you do get 6 of them. They also had a smaller size, but I went ahead and got the bigger one. And it does come with a little funnel to fill them. Actually has 2 funnels. And you can use these for glue or paint. So I am going to open this up at my desk and we'll look through it. And if you're interested in any of these items, I'll leave the links down below for them in the description. So here is another look at the box. I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it does come with a few tools. So you have an important note. Okay, so the instructions are in English. That's great. So I guess that is template for some of the items. We've got some plexiglass and some stickers. Okay, so here's the flooring. So you do have to cut them out. Okay. Cute little kitty. So you've got some flooring pieces and a whole bunch of other pieces in the bags. Oh, this one's got your plant pieces, some fabric, and some more flooring and walls, I'm assuming. They've got the cutouts already in them. So with it, you got little scissors, a box cutter, ruler, screwdriver, and some tweezers. So that's nice. So then you have your battery, a box, because the lights are supposed to light up. So that means that no, I think that's a music box. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is a music box. So it's supposed to play music as well. Well, that's pretty neat. So lots of parts in there. So it should be super fun to put together.